Alright, 6 whole months of sitting cold.
See all your gauges and everything, and turn the ignition on and see where you're at. Hear the electric fuel pump?
Yeah.
We'll let it go until it finishes pumping to get pressure up. There, now you got fuel pressure. See if there's enough there to turn it.
Look at that. I can't believe it. I thought for sure we'd have to haul it in and get it fixed. What a deal. And sorry if the filming didn't turn out. I wasn't half paying attention to the camera, so don't dislike the video. There you go. Look at that. It's just chugging. But sitting 6 months. Look at the haze. Smoking good. There's the turbo going. People, thank you for watching, and if this focuses, thank you for watching. I know this is a short video compared to what I make, but we're going to be trying to take it out for a drive now, and I know this wasn't full, but thank you for watching, and I just wanted to get a couple clips at least, because I didn't know what it would do. I thought it'd blow up, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more old cars and more of these.